Welcome once again. Let's talk about Binance US. Yes, Binance US said it is time to list Teruna Classic and also start burning Teruna Classic LLC. Definitely, I knew that Binance himself, Binance founder, has been supporting Teruna Classic for a very long time right now. He's one of the biggest supporter of this coin. Now, I also believe that Binance US definitely will be listing Teruna Classic very soon, because when you have Binance supporting Teruna Classic, I know all Binance exchanges will definitely do that. Now, for me, it is a good thing to see that Teruna Classic LLC will soon start burning massive coin. Now, once Binance lists Teruna Classic, and I believe yes, very soon, definitely the burning of Teruna Classic will hit a massive increase, because Binance alone has been burning a lot of coins. Now imagine Binance and Binance US burning Teruna Classic. And Binance US are also one of the top crypto exchange. Okay, yes, they are ranked among one of the top crypto exchange. So I think it's a good thing, because US they're one of the biggest investors, biggest buyers of cryptocurrency. Yes, I mean, when you take a look at the top crypto investors, top crypto exchanges, top crypto billionaires, mostly coming from the US. So the US have been fully into cryptocurrency. So when you have a Binance US, I mean, listening to a classic coin, definitely we are expecting something huge, okay? Because I believe this listening will bring a lot of market cap. This listening will bring more investors, more holders from the US, and also this listing will also increase the burning rate and the trading volume of Teruna Classic. Luna has been looking for this all this while. Luna Classic developers has been praying for this, they have been hoping for this, and I think yes, it's about time, because it's about time that Teruna Classic will finally get listed on this exchange, because we are expecting something different. I mean, a lot of people will be buying Teruna Classic, because many people see Teruna Classic as one of the potential coins, and thank God this coin is among the top 100 crypto coins. So whenever you go to CoinMarketCap and you're scrolling down, definitely you will see Teruna Classic coins with about 4 zeros, and these coins already attracting a lot of people. We'll be looking at, okay, if I buy this coin, invest a little amount. Imagine this coin hits 1 cent or $1. So a lot of people always want to buy coins with a lot of zeros, especially coins with like 3-4 zeros. They always have this hope that these coins might reach $1. So it's a good thing for Teruna Classic to be among the top 100. It's a good thing also for Teruna Classic to be listed by Binance US, and I'm happy that once they list this coin, we are going to experience something different. Remember, this is not the financial advice, and let's hope for the best.